Alright, so I am making this video to kind of show how to use my automatic handbrake renderer that I wrote. I should be uploading this to GitHub, and that's where you should be able to download it. So there's that. So all you need is the Handbrake command line interface version. So if you go to Handbrake and then go to downloads, and then command line version, you can download the Windows 64-bit version right there, and that'll give you this exe. You'll need my exe right there, and then a video file that we'll use. So the first thing and we will need some presets. So Handbrake, I'll get a preset. So let's open up Handbrake here. So I'm just going to use an Overwatch clip. So in order for this to work, this uses presets to render files in a folder. And right now I believe it only does MP4 and MKV. If you download the source code and change it, you can make it do other file formats. I'm just going to do this preset. So the way it works is we're going to give it a JSON file. It's going to make a utils folder, and we'll put our preset file in there. It's a JSON file. And the preset file has to be named the same thing as what is viewed in the Handbrake UI version. So I'll export this to file, and it is called Blu-ray v3 with subs new audio. Okay, so there's our JSON file. We can close Handbrake, and if we open this up and run my exe, it'll tell you a couple things. So the first thing, it didn't have any folders, so it went ahead and made them. And then it's telling you that it doesn't have any presets, and you'll need to put the presets in the following folder, and then it goes over what I just went over. So we can close that. It made some folders in this directory. It'll also tell you if you don't have Handbrake.exe, and then it'll open the web page, and you can go and download it. So we're going to go into the utils folder, and we're going to move our preset in there. And you can have as many presets as you want. It'll make a folder for each of them, and you just drop your movie inside the folder, and it'll go through and do it. So we'll go ahead and start it up again. So it just made a folder in the inbox with the name of our preset. So if we put 100 movies in here, it'll go through and render each one of them with that preset setting. You can have multiple presets in here. Like I said, I have on my server, I think 5 or 6 different presets. And then every second it just checks the folder, and if there's a video in there, it'll render it. So we'll leave this open, and we'll go back out here, and we'll cut this. We'll go to inbox, and we'll put it in there. And it's going to go ahead and render that, and I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's done. Alright, so it just finished, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like when it's done. So there's nothing in the inbox anymore. It takes it out, and then it puts it in original files. So if you ever need your original file, it just moves it to this folder. And then your finished file will be in here, and that's pretty much it. It also does an encoding log. Over here, so it'll say current file it was working on, and then it'll give the status that it moved it to this directory. So that's pretty much all you do. It's an exe and the command line version, and then a JSON file. And then from there you can render to your heart's desire. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.